we are at the juice coffee place, and we got our sandwiches, and I got a big coffee. Good morning, it's day 151. I'm here at Brian's place. He's actually washing our coffee cups right now. I guess I shouldn't show him doing all the stuff for us, but yeah, we're still at his place. We're here tonight. He's gonna slack pack us. We're gonna go up. We're just gonna do like 10 miles today because right after that is Mount Greylock, and we just do that in one big day instead of like, there aren't really like roads and stuff, but easy day. It's gonna rain in the morning, so we're hoping to get to some juice place in Dalton and maybe get away in there for a little while. Have like another coffee and a sandwich, but for now we're gonna get ready and get going. This is Louis. Hi, Louis. Hi. Yeah. His mom was a German Shepherd. Can you believe that? He's huge though. Oh, he loves the toys. Yeah. It's actually quite amazing. He knows what they're called. Like, this is a moose. He just knows what they're called. You tell him to go get it, he'll get it. It's pretty amazing. Yeah. Okay, I gotta go upstairs. So earlier he was playing with the moose. Louis, get the soccer ball. Soccer ball. Yeah. Isn't that amazing? He knows like the nouns. It's pretty amazing. Good boy. Yeah. Hey Louis, get the lobster. Where's the lobster? You're standing on it, you can't see it. Lobster. He's looking for it. Lobster. There you go, yeah. Good boy, yeah. Was a dog over there. We're back on trail. We got dropped off at the parking lot at the exact same parking spot he parked when he picked us up, and we're in the woods again. It's morning, so I'm trying to walk a little quietly. It's cool, dark, and not early morning, but early enough. There might be some critters walking around, but overall not bad. Today we're only doing like 10 miles. Originally we were gonna do more, but Mount Greylock is coming up, so we're gonna go until we get to the base of Mount Greylock to Cheshire, and then Brian's gonna pick us up. We'll go back to his place. We'll go out to eat again tonight, and then tomorrow he'll drop us off for good tomorrow morning, and we'll make our climb over Mount Greylock, which will be the first time over 3,000 feet since I don't know how long. I have no idea. It's been a long time. But it's a really tall mountain. Looks like the viewpoints are really nice, and there's a nice tower up there, so we're glad we're doing it tomorrow where the weather's supposed to be a little better and still cooler. So today we're only doing like 10 something, maybe 12 miles, and then tomorrow we're doing 14. And we were originally going to do more today, but it would have taken us actually to almost the top of Greylock. There's a shelter area there, not too many campsites. So we're really glad that we're staying with Brian again, because there's so many people around us right now that we will definitely have to go find campsites somewhere else to stay. But pretty nice. Okay, this morning though, we're actually going to Dalton in 2.8 miles, and there's a little juice bar, something juice thing place, and we're gonna stop in for coffee and sandwiches, and we think it might rain around then, so we're hoping while we're there it rains and then it stops before we go. That's the plan anyway. We're walking through Dalton right now. It started raining on us a little bit, but it's slow. It's been on and off. We're not at the cafe yet, but we're trying to hope to get there because we see rain coming and the wind picks up every now and then. We're close. We're almost there. Almost there. On our way though, we walked by Tom Lavarty. I guess he's a older person who lets people sleep in his yard, and there was somebody there who said there were like 12 people there yesterday, maybe the day before, but crazy. But all right, oh, the wind is the wind keeps changing direction. It's hard to hold an umbrella. Here we are at the juice coffee place, and we got our sandwiches, Yeah, I got a big coffee. Tina got a little one. Look at my menu. It's nice because the sandwich Black Forest ham comes with Swifts. So I got Swiss cheese on the side and I just gave it to her. So she got extra cheese with hers. I got a bite, so I got the taste of it. Just can't eat too much, but look at that. It looks like a lot of calories. We need it for our 9 miles more.
Yeah, it's gonna be a tough day today.
Tough day. But we're gonna eat now, and then hopefully the rain slows down by the time we leave. A little rain, but we're back in the woods, so we can pee whenever we want to. But it's supposed to rain for just a little bit longer, but when you're in the woods, after it stops raining, anytime there's a gust, it just sprinkles from the leaves constantly. At least for like another hour, so I figure we'll have to use an umbrella for another hour or so. But we just have our one and only big climb of the day. It's kind of broken up, but it's not too bad. And the trail is actually quite nice. So really nice. I guess AccuWeather was a little wrong about the rain stopping very soon. It's actually been coming down harder. And it's still rain. It's not tree dropped rain. So we'll see how long this goes, but that's not too bad. I'm enjoying it. My arms, I don't have to sweat out of my arms as much. I just stick my arms out and the rain cools it off. It's really nice, actually. I think we're at the middle of our climb here, so we got a little more climb to go before we hit the top, and then just like little up and downs until we get to the very end. Not too bad. 11:30 now. Umbrella. Believe it or not, my umbrella has a leak somewhere. I knew it's got by now like have leaks in it, but I feel drips on my left ear every now and then. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Still better than getting poured on. And hopefully I didn't miss any berries because I have this umbrella and I can't look up very well. How does the woods look today? Does it look super green to you? I mean, nothing's changed except that it rained a little for maybe 2 or 3 hours. I don't know. I was wondering if it's all perspective because it's been kind of dark and dreary, and then the sun came out and everything looks so green. I won't mess with the saturation so you can tell me what you think, but right now it's not as nearly as green as when the sun came out though. When the sun came out, oh, it was green. But it's really nice seeing that most of the plants around here aren't completely eaten up. Like maybe 50 miles back, it was really bad. Most of the plants are really riddled with holes, but these are doing really well. We're probably only a mile away from Cheshire, but we got a nice view here before we go down all the way. It's a nice lake or whatever it is, a couple of really nice islands. This is the Cheshire something viewpoint. Ooh, it was a little overgrown on the way out here, but super nice. It's breezy. Whatever bug was flying around my ears and neck is gone now. He's probably waiting for me back in the woods. Tina said it stopped chasing her and chased me. I taste better.
That's not what I said.
Is that what you said?
No, I said it's not me chasing you anymore.
Oh yeah, flies. Flies and mosquitoes, they love chasing me. But look at all the buildings down there. I'm guessing that's Cheshire. And we're heading down there now. Nice lake and all the houses nearby. Great view, amazing day. Earlier, like when we started, the clouds are just filling in the mountains, but pretty amazing day. It's so cool. Here we are back in the woods. It's nice, all these moral leaves or flowers are. Oh, there's a little notch here. It's hard to get my foot in. My feet just are so wide. Okay, here we go. It's kind of nice, tucked away. The AT is off on our right. We're gonna have. Oh, I thought I heard a noise, but it's just Tina. Pretty nice viewpoint. It's really short. Lots of flowers kind of guiding you along. Brian got us some Polynesian food, so we got the poo-poo platter for 3, and here's a sample of our plates. He's getting his. Oh, he's having a beer. All right.
Living life.
Oh, and this is first serving.